Hello everyone. Cable car at the hill station are one of the major tourist attraction. On a hill, the length of the cable car right from base point to the topmost point on the hill is 5000 meters. Poles are installed at equal intervals. So the distance of first pole from the base point is 200 meter. That means A is given 200 meters. And the subsequent pole are installed at equal intervals of 150 meter. So subsequent poles are given at 150 meter. Further, the last pole from the top is 300 meter. So nth pole is given from the top, that means 5000 minus 300 will give you 4700 meters. You have to find the distance of the 10th pole. So A10 equals to A plus 9D, which is 200 plus 9, 150 gives you 200. Which comes out to be 1550 meters. Find the distance between the 15th pole and the 25th pole. So to find the distance between 15th pole and 25th pole, that means you have to do A25 minus A15, which gives you A plus 24D minus A plus 14D, which is 24D minus 14D gives you 10D. So 10 into 150 equals to 1500. So the distance between the two poles is 1500 meter. You have to find the total number of poles installed along the entire journey. So total number of poles installed will be 4700. You know nth term, A is 200 plus n minus 1, D is 150 along the entire journey. So 4700 minus 200 equal to n minus 1, 150 gives you 4500 divided by 150 equal to n minus 1, 15 3s are, so 30 plus 1 equal to n. So there are 31 poles installed along the entire journey.